before you start, you are going to cut off any sharp edge on the sew. You can see this one now. So you make the inner part of the sew, make it smooth. So this is my insole. So I normally buy 3mm. You can see this size. So it comes either on black or white, even blue color. Yeah, I'll be using this sew to cut out my insole. You know, when you want to work direct on the sew, you don't use the same method you use in cutting out your insole when using adhesive. So you don't use it to cut out your insole when you want to work direct on your sew. Just watch very carefully. Yeah, so to start, you face down your sew, face it down, then place it on your insole. So I'm trying to manage my insole, so that's why I place it on the edge of the insole, so you make it smooth. So the next thing now is to hit round the edge of the sew. Either you hit round the edge of the sew or you use your pen or pencil to mark round the sew. So you watch out what I will do now. Sorry. Mark it round. Yes, you can see it. So before you start cutting, you're going to mark out, just give a little space from the line, just mark out like this, mark it round. So you can see I mark from the inner part of the line, the insole. You can see. So now we are going to use this second line instead of this first line. You are going to use this line. You cut out from this line. Yeah, so we'll continue with big sew. You can see it. So this is what we have after cutting your insole. So if you place it on the shoe sew, wait, let me arrange it. So look at this thing very well. You can see that I have some space around the sew. You can see it. So once I crochet on the insole, it will cover up all this space here. That's it. So I think I'm done with cutting of insole. So after cutting your insole, you cut the lining. You can see it. So you need to be very careful while cutting your lining. This is the back and this is the front. You can see it. So this will be placed on this. So to cut out your lining, just the same way you cut your insole, just pick your insole and face it downward on the lining. Then mark round the insole and cut it off. Yeah. Then after that, the next thing is to crochet on your insole. You can see it. I already have video on how to crochet on shoe sew, so check out my old videos how to crochet on shoe sew. So there you can also find how to crochet on shoe pad and how to create holes on shoe sew. Thank you.